Hello everyone, I'm at 1117 Auburn Avenue. We are in the Tremont neighborhood. This is a two-family and we are going to see the upstairs unit. Let's go in. Nice wide stairway going upstairs. As you can see, we've got a vaulted ceiling in the living area. Bamboo flooring. So I guess this could be an eating area here if you want a dining room table. But nice big open area here. Lots of light. Very airy. Nice view outside. Exposed chimney. Got a newer kitchen here. The granite counters. Soft closed drawers and cabinets. Oh, and so over here it's got a pass through here. Don't know if I really kind of showed that before. So very open, great for entertaining. You've got two bedrooms. The one here on the right, the attic is in here, so we're gonna just stick our heads up there. But you got a nice big closet. And got a little window looking out over the backyard. We'll head out there in a bit. Let's peek our heads up here. It's a big attic. There is some HVAC up here, so, but it is kept off to the sides and the front. So, I mean, you know, there's some possibility of utilizing the space if you wanted to. The furnace for the upstairs units here. Let's head over to the second bedroom. Again, got a nice, good sized closet space here. Bigger window looking out over the back. It's a good sized bedroom here. And we've got the bathroom. Okay, let's head outside. This comes with a pretty big lot and two-car garage, and it's a masonry garage. Now we are, like I said, we're in Tremont, and we are a block from Lincoln Park. If you can see, straight there, that is newer construction, and that is the Lincoln Park bathhouse. So that's the back end of that development. The front of it is right on Lincoln Park. So this is a really extremely walkable area. We've got, you know, restaurants right here. We got restaurants, bars, coffee shops all over the place. Everything's within walking distance. These back here are some newer construction rental townhomes that were built at some point. But here we go. So there's the back of the house. And then, you know, it's a deep yard. So you got the driveway. You know, you could easily, you know, for an owner occupant, you could easily fence this off, or if you had dogs. But you could have a patio. You could see all the sun. It is the one nice thing about this rental project back here is there's a drive that runs through. So what that does is it just opens this place up for a ton of light. So you're always going to have a lot of light in this on this house. Like I said, masonry garage. So black walls, this thing's not going anywhere. Electric garage door opener, which is great. This is convenience-wise, if you're don't know the area, we're right by I-71, I-90, I-77. You could be to University Circle, area hospitals, all that, 10 to 15 minutes, no problem. Anywhere regionally, with the great highway network here in Cleveland, you could be anywhere in the county, very, very quickly. So great neighborhood, great location, and got some income potential for an owner occupant and wants to have somebody to help pay their mortgage.